And now we're going home. But the river is so...
And
we can't cross the river because it's so very rushing. The water is over rushing. What? Yeah, scary.
Holy shit. Cigarette smoking is dangerous for your health. So please give me. Cigarette smoking is dangerous for your health.
Pick me. Photos me, videos. Ako ba ang picture eh?
We got to look at the hell.
Where? This is the hell.